Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cream at home without eggs. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of whole milk and 1/4 cup of very cold, unsalted butter. Having cold butter is key to achieving the right consistency. You'll also need a blender or food processor to properly combine everything. This method is surprisingly simple and yields a versatile cream for many uses. Now let's prepare the butter. Take your very cold, unsalted butter and cut it into small 1-inch cubes. This step is important because smaller pieces will blend much more efficiently with the milk, creating a smoother emulsion. Once cubed, place all the butter into your blender or food processor, ready for the next step. Next, pour the 1 cup of whole milk directly over the cubed butter in your blender. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll notice the mixture gradually thickening and becoming smooth. The goal is to fully emulsify the butter and milk, transforming them into a rich, creamy consistency. Keep blending until it looks just right. Once blended, transfer your freshly made cream into an airtight container. It's crucial to chill the cream in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This allows it to firm up and achieve its final, desired consistency. After chilling, your homemade, egg-free cream is ready to be used in your favorite recipes, from desserts to savory dishes, or simply as a delightful topping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.